Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Pricing your eBay dropshipping products right can make a break your business. In this video, I will show you exactly how to set profitable prices while styling competitive. First of all, know your costs. eBay charges a final value fee, usually 12.9% plus 30 cents per order. This applies to the total amount including shipping and tax, so include this in your pricing formula. Next, check your total cost from your supplier, product price plus shipping and taxes. This is your base cost, and you must never sell below this number. Here's a beginner formula. Product cost plus eBay fee plus PayPal or Stripe fee plus your desired profit. Let's say your item cost, let's say your item cost $10. eBay fees eBay fees are $1.59, $1.59, and you want profit, and you want $5 profit. You will price at $16 and 59 cents minimum. Now go to ebay.com, search eBay for products. What are top sellers charging? Stay competitive but don't race to the bottom. Offering better images, faster shipping, or bonuses can justify a higher price. Now search for a product like electronics. Click on sell, list an item, and search for your product like shoes. Then select one, continue. If using PayPal or eBay's managed payments, factor in those processing fees about 2.9% to 3.5%. Always account for every cent to avoid hidden losses. There are a few strategies: cost plus pricing, simple markup on cost; market-based pricing, complete based on current sellers; psychological pricing, price at 19.99 cents, $19.99 instead of $20 for better conversions. You can use eBay fee calculators or Google Sheets to build your pricing table. This saves time and reduces mistakes. You can even automate formulas to calculate ideal price based on cost input. From condition, select your condition like without box, then continue and follow the process. Test different price points over time. If a product isn't selling, try dropping price slightly and building with another item. If it's selling fast, consider rising price to increase margins. Quick tips. Always include fees in your calculations. Offer free shipping but take it into price. Use promotions like 10% off to increase click-through. Review performance monthly. Now you can add an image from your computer, video, inner side, other sides, front, back, top, bottom box, tag, etc. Then give it a title, since the requirements like size, color. You can add UPC number. Finally, adds a short description, then click on pricing tab and set a price. And finally, scroll down and click list it. That's it. That's how you price products for dropshipping on eBay. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more beginner friendly tutorials. Comment below if you want a free pricing calculator templates. So, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Stay safe, stay consistent with dropshipping and follow for more and list an item like this. If you encounter any issues, comment below.